Here we are at the house, front of the house, coming out the door, and I got the chicken. I got my cockatoos, 2 of them. They just had little babies. They're not hatched yet, and 3 eggs. And put them out here all day long. They're in the sun, and then about 11 o'clock, 12, this turns into shade for them. It's perfect. I got the chickens comes here because we feed. We have two of our own, and so we feed them, and so all the others come too. There we are. Yeah, there's a mama with her little chicks. I want to see about fixing this up right. Oh man, I just love it here. I just love it here. We got them these firm type things. Here comes this one, the white one. There's a man. All the others are scared of him. He's a fighter. We take him to cockfights, and he comes over here. He won't let the others eat any of the corn that we give him. I got to scare him off. He wants to fight. Yeah. Let's see if we can get closer. There they are. There they are. We got 3. There's the mother. Looking down. Oop. There she goes. I don't know if we can see that. No, they haven't hatched yet. Got 3 eggs in there. I don't think we can catch them on the camera. They got 3. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Ms. Rubin just got home from taking Juan to school, dropping him off. I love it here. I love it here, man. In the States, the SWAT team would come and kill the chickens. Okay.